Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the previous videos, we learned about enhancing and publishing reports in Power BI. In this video, we will be discussing about Power BI service, comparison of Power BI report server and Power BI service, and finally, we will learn about configuring mobile layouts. Let's get started. Power BI service is a cloud-based platform that allows us to create, share, and manage reports and dashboards. Since it is cloud-based, we can access it from anywhere with an internet connection. Let's take a look at the Power BI service interface. In Power BI service, we have different tabs like Home, Create, Browse, Metrics, Apps, Learn, Workspaces, and My Workspace. These help us manage and organize reports easily. In Power BI, configuring the mobile layout helps us make reports mobile friendly. After creating a report in Power BI desktop, we can switch to the mobile layout option from the View tab. Here, we can drag and arrange visuals on the mobile canvas so that the key insights are clear on smaller screens. Here, we will go to the mobile visual option. We will select the visuals of our choice, drag and drop them to the mobile canvas, and adjust their shape and size. And in this way, we can configure the mobile layout option in Power BI Desktop. Now, let's talk about Power BI Report Server and Power BI Service. Power BI Report Server is hosted on premises by the organization and connects with on premises data sources. It requires manual updates and is accessible only within the local network. On the other hand, Power BI Service is hosted on the cloud by Microsoft. It integrates with cloud data sources, updates automatically, and is accessible from anywhere using internet. And that's it. In the next video, we will learn about identifying trends and patterns in visualizations. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.